Today the topic is electric switch, and everyone is familiar with this term switch, right? We actually, to make an electric circuit operate at our convenience, we need to add switch to it. Okay, earlier I had shown you an electric circuit, right? लेकिन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट कहीं भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का आप कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, एंड यू ऑब्वियसली ज़रूरी तो नहीं है कि आप कंटिन्यूस आपको सप्लाई इलेक्ट्रिक करंट की चाहिए हो. कभी आपको ये भी लगता है कि अब हम स्विच ऑफ कर दें बल्ब, स्विच ऑफ कर दें फ़ैन, राइट? सो व्हाट यू नीड अ स्विच टू ऑपरेट इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइसेस, अदरवाइज वी मे गेट एन इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक. तो स्विच आप देखेंगे कि स्विच इज़ व्हाट? इट इज़ अ सिंपल डिवाइस दैट ईदर ब्रेक्स और कंप्लीट्स द सर्किट. ठीक है, सर्किट को या तो ब्रेक करता है स्विच या फिर कंप्लीट करता है. ब्रेक करता है तो इट मीन्स स्विच इज़ इन ऑफ पोजिशन, एंड व्हेन इट कंप्लीट्स द सर्किट इट मीन्स दैट द स्विच इज़ इन ऑन position. On position means that the circuit is closed. Off position means that the circuit is open, right? So before showing you one demonstration, I want to let you know that there are mainly three types of switches, and you must have seen those switches also. One is on and off button, right, which we use in our household circuit. It is something like that, on off, right? So this is actually on and off button which is used in household circuits. And another type of button is, or a switch is, push button or slide button. इस तरह से you slide, which is used in torch, transistors, even toys में भी आपको दिख जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ये क्या है? ये slide button है, right? देखिए. and pressed button. प्रेस्ड बटन कैसे होते हैं? बेल्स में यूज़ होते हैं यूजुअली. देखिए, इस तरह से आप प्रेस करते हैं तो दिस टाइप ऑफ buttons are what? Pressed buttons. They are used in doorbells most of the times. तो सबसे पहले what I am going to show you an electric switch. आप electric switch कैसे बनाएं, ठीक? So for this you need a battery. Okay. LED, I am using LED. You can use electric cell also. If you have a torch bulb, then very good, you can use torch bulb also. Okay. And for making a switch, what I am using? Safety pin, right? So what I am doing, I am connecting the wires, okay, in this manner, joining the ends of the wire in this manner. Okay. So you can see that the wires have been connected. और अगर आप देखें तो complete circuit कैसे होगा? Once I will touch the two wires, you will see that the circuit is closed and the current has started flowing and the LED has started glowing. अब इसमें क्या करेंगे हम? I am adding safety pin. This is the safety pin. ठीक, और इसको मैंने ऐसे इसका लूप बना के वायर का इस तरह से मैंने इसको कनेक्ट कर दिया. ठीक है, अब आप देखिए, जब आप घर में जो स्विचेस वर्क करते हैं वो इसी प्रिंसिपल पे वर्क करते हैं कि जब आपका स्विच ऑफ है, ठीक, सपोज दिस इज़ इन ऑफ पोजीशन, इट मीन्स दैट द सर्किट इज़ व्हाट? इज़ open, circuit is incomplete. You can see that LED is not glowing. But once, okay, I will connect the end of the wire, another wire, with this safety pin, with the metallic part. You will see that the LED is glowing. It has started glowing. Okay, what does it show? That the switch is right now in on position, and the moment I will remove this wire, what will happen? The circuit is again what? Is open and LED has stopped glowing. It shows that the switch is in what position? Is in off position. I hope you understand. If you will see that if I am bringing the wire and I am touching the tip of the wire on the surface of the plastic, you will see that the LED is not glowing. Why? Because Plastic is an insulator. It is not allowing the electric current to pass through it. That is why there is a break in the circuit and the LED will not glow in this case. But after touching the wire to this portion, which is made up of iron, you can see that the circuit is now closed and LED is glowing. Okay, so this is actually how you can make a switch. Just by touching, you can see. So switches, right now what is the mode of switch? It is in on position. Okay, now let's see the diagram. This one, you can see the diagram and you will see that I have taken battery. Right here it is electric cell. Electric cell positive terminal is connected, okay, with one terminal of the bulb. ठीक है, or this is the negative terminal. It is connected with the one end of the safety pin, which is a metallic portion, and one end of the terminal, okay, is connected with the another end of the safety pin. So you can see a closed loop, एक loop बन रहा है. Okay, so what type of circuit is this? It is a closed circuit. कैसा circuit बना? Closed circuit. और ये जो safety pin हमारा अभी you have seen that this safety pin has acted like a switch. Okay, it acts like a switch in this setup. So the bulb will glow in this case. Bulb will glow. Where is red pen? क्या देखेंगे आप? Bulb will glow in this case. But in case of the second case that I have shown you, that wire has been connected with one end of the terminal of the bulb, and there is one more wire which is connected with the safety pin and the terminal of the bulb, but the connection is not complete. You are finding a break in this circuit. So circuit is what? Circuit is what type of circuit? Open circuit, and bulb will not glow in this case. So switch हमारा किस मोड में इस वक्त? Switch is in off position, right? And here the switch is in on position. Okay, so this is all about switch. One more time I am telling you that switch is what? Is a simple device that either breaks the circuit or completes it. अगर आपके पास switch नहीं हो, switch नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? Obviously we may get an electric shock.